Paint. She paints landscapes as a hobby. Draw. She draws pictures of animals. Solve. They solve puzzles together. Think. She thinks deeply about life. Learn. He learns new things every day. Bake. We bake cookies for the holidays. Plant. He plants flowers in the garden. Walk. I walk to work every morning. Run. He runs in the park for exercise. Jump. The kids jump on the bed. Dance. I love to dance at wedding parties. Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Teach. I teach math to kids. Help. They help their neighbors. Cook. She cooks a delicious meal. Drink. Sarah drinks water after exercising. Sleep. He sleeps well at night. Read. I like to read books before bed. Write. He writes notes in class. Talk. They usually talk on the phone. Listen. He listens to music on his headphones. Eat. She eats a tasty orange. Drive. I drive to store. Park. They park the car outside. Start. He starts his day early. Finish. We finish our work at 5. Stop. He stops at the red light. Go. They go to school. Come. She comes home after school. Sing. We sing songs in the car.